How you guys doing? So today I finished up with the window on my truck camper, and not really for sure where it was leaking from. So it looks like it was coming here. So when I took it all apart, the bottom half of this was pretty rusty. But I want to say this part right here was how where it's coming from. It was all soft. It had some silicone in there, but it was all soft and stuff like that. So I want to say that's how where it was leaking from, and then coming around, and then it had it coming down. So I sealed it all up, put some new putty tape in there, and I just got done putting some RV silicone stuff on there. I don't think it's called RV silicone, but some RV window sealant or whatever you want to call it. So I sealed that up, and when I was up there, this peak where the roof is, now I don't see any water damage in there, but it was cracking the putty for it. So I went ahead and put some more stuff on there. Now probably next summer I may rip the whole roof up and replace it. Just so we wouldn't have any issues. The camper, the sticker on our camper says 2000, but then the title on the camper says 2001. So I'm not really for sure which one it is. So I think your typical RV roof lasts 20 years, something like that. So go ahead and replace that. It don't look too bad up there. There's no torns or nothing like that, but the little bit of spots, little black spots. I think that's the sign of it going. So if you look closely here, you see these screws. They're pretty much rusted until you get to that side right there. I don't know if they're replaced or not. So all these are rusted. So the lights for you see the patch right there, where it's kind of soft, and then right there, I put new screws in, but they're too long, and it's just soft up there, so it's not really even holding anything. So that's soft. So somewhere between that point and that point is where it's soft. Not too much on the side where the cupboard is, inside there. It wasn't too bad. And on the same thing with this side. So it kind of stops. I wouldn't say in the middle here. That's where it's leaking from. So slowly I'm trying to get these fixed. Like I said, we're in New Jersey and it gets a lot of rain. And now when I took it off and cleaned the framing up on the window, there was no silicone left at all. It looks like whoever put it on, it put it way in the back, and it wasn't really sealing too much in the front. So they have this new stuff too. I didn't try it on this time, but it's the same thing. It's like a putty tape kind of thing, but instead of a tape, it's kind of like a rubber form, and it's round. So when you put it on there, it flattens as you put it on. But hopefully, with that rain on, I think it's Monday night. So we'll see what happens. Go in. If you notice too, now that, like I said before, this camper is from Oregon. So if you look at this, this is rusted, and I can't focus it. All this is rusted. So I don't know if they had some kind of leak in here before, or they left the windows open. But let's see if I turn the light on. You see that? It's like a little bit of mold, but the roof is not it's not soft. So I don't know. I cleaned up before. No, the roof is soft. I mean, I was just up there. I walked the whole roof and everything to put the tarp on so it wouldn't mess anything. Nothing's soft. The only thing that may be a little soft is this back part. This is the bathroom. Is maybe right in here. Now I don't see no ripples or anything like that. It's a little, so I don't know how flimsy it is. I was up there. There's a stud right there, but the ladder is right here somewhere. And it's not really screwed on that good. But I don't see any signs of it being too soft, like it's been leaking through. There's a screw right there. So I can't tell exactly what that's for, or if it's soft or anything. But I don't see any screws, you know, like rusted. Like this needs to be replaced. This is, I believe, a fantastic fan. I'm not sure when, if it was installed when the camper's installed. But I don't see any signs of leaking. Now there's an area in the storage corner underneath us that's somehow getting water in it. I don't know how exactly it's getting water in it. I sealed this up, but somehow, if you see the spot right there, I don't know if it's this compartment that's getting water in it. It's like dripping right here or something. So that's another thing to look at. I seal all that up, and there's a little bit of spots. I don't know if that's from the window. I didn't do a very bad job on it. I hate seal coating. It didn't turn out that good. See a little knick-knack like that. I don't know if someone hit something with it or what. I don't know if that's plastic or if it could be bent out. Alright, well, I'll see if I can find anything else wrong with this camper. Like I said, stuff like this, I don't know if it's mold. This water just sitting in there. It's not draining properly. But, alright, well, that's it for now. You guys take care.